Hello and welcome to NetBox Automation Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enable NetBox Copilot in Community Edition. NetBox Copilot is an AI-powered interactive assistant embedded directly into the NetBox platform. These are some of the key capabilities. Natural language queries. This allows us to interact with our data model using natural language. Instead of manually clicking through the UI, you can talk to your network data in plain English. Then automation support. This can generate playbooks and Python scripts. Then based on your instruction, this can run some basic quality checks in your data. And enterprise and cloud version of NetBox currently supports write operation as well. We'll go through the documentation of this. You can see this documentation which released on 10th February. Today, Copilot moves from preview to production ready. So we can see some details here. They also saw teams using Copilot to build entire Ansible playbooks, generate API automation scripts. And users even are interacting with multiple languages. Then in the new GA release, for the NetBox Cloud and Enterprise customers, they are bringing some additional features like write operation, then bring your own model access through Anthropic or AWS Bedrock, and many additional features are in pipeline. So still this feature is evolving. So in future, you might see many more enhancements. So here in this video, I'll just show you how to enable this feature. To enable this, you need to go to NetBox. Under User Preferences, you can see here NetBox Copilot is disabled by default. You need to enable it, save it. So once you enable it, in the right bottom, you can see a new pop-up theme, and you need to sign into the NetBox Cloud for accessing this. If you notice, I'm running this locally, and if you click on continue with NetBox Cloud, okay, I have already logged into NetBox Cloud earlier using my Google account. So now it is asking me to activate it. Okay, let me click on activate. Okay, now I need to click on re-authenticate to finish activation. Okay, now you can see it is logged in successfully. It is saying, hello, I am your NetBox Cloud Copilot. I can help you manage your network infrastructure, analyze configurations, troubleshoot issues, and more. Okay, now I will ask, currently I am in which page? We'll try to understand that, whether it is able to read the current page. So it is saying that, okay, based on the context provided, you are currently on user preferences page. So it is able to understand the current page we are opening. Now I will ask, please give me a sample CSV file to create sites in NetBox. Enter. Okay, this is giving the complete instruction. So you can just copy and paste this content and test it. So this is even giving the explanation of everything. Okay, now I'll ask, can you create these sites in my NetBox? I am currently using the community version. So it is saying that, say, I cannot create these sites because my available tools are limited to read-only operation. In community version, we have only read option available. I can only view, search and analyze existing data in your NetBox. But still it is giving me the instruction how to do that. Okay, now we will ask, can you open devices page? Enter. You can see here it is automatically navigating to devices page. Now I will ask total how many sites are there. Enter. Okay, it is saying that 21 sites are there. Now I will ask to apply a filter. Can you run a filter to get all the locations under US NYC HQ site? Enter. Okay, we can see that this location represents the server room on floor 14 at the NYC headquarters site. So it is able to do the filtering. Now I will ask one more question. Apply a filter to find sites in the name. Okay, only one site is having NYC in the name. Let me try giving AU hyphen in the name. Enter. So we can see the name here. Okay, in this way you can activate NetBox Copilot in your NetBox Community Edition. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.